Okay, let's go ahead and let's check out Mark's shop, Mark Regal. We got bicycle part art. All right, there we go. The name has a ring to it. It makes sense. I get it. Bicycle part art. You're welcome, Tamala. Let's see what we got here. Look at this one. Wall mounted. Five double hook keychain holder made from bicycle parts. Cool. Look at that. All the different gears. All right. So for a unique item like this, the question is, what is the keywords that you go ahead and use for something like this? And wall mounted 5 double hook keychain holder. Wall mounted. Let's check that keyword. So definitely 315 results. It's a long keyword here, but it is, it's kind of a unique and special item. So it's a bit difficult to really get. You could do bicycle keychain holder. Let's see what we got. Bicycle keychain holder. Not really. It looks like the keyword is working for you, but I don't know if you could find keywords that are a little bit more specific and a little bit more to the point. That would be great. It is a very unique product, and not a lot of people are even going to know about that. But even your name, your shop name kind of helps you because it is what it is, bicycle part art. So you could even do a keyword like bicycle lover gift, right? So people Etsy is such a great platform for gifts, right? People love to buy gifts there. I love buying gifts on Etsy for people, right? Bike lover gift, even easier. Thank you, Christina, for making everybody's life easier here. This is a real reason we do this with everybody, so other people like Christina can just help me out with her better suggestions. So we got bike lover gift. That would be a great keyword because who would somebody buy this for? If you had a friend and you're like, I don't know what to get this friend, the friend who has everything. It's always so hard to buy a gift, right? Every time you go to buy a gift, you're like, I have no idea what the heck this person wants. But if you had this friend, you're like, man, you know what I do know about Tom? He loves to ride his bike. I'm going to look up bike lover gift. Well, there you go. 8,300 results. And, Tom probably doesn't want to wear a cranky shirt, right? But he probably think it was damn cool to have, a bicycle part art gift. So those are another different cycle of keywords. So just some ideas there. If you can think of who would this be a great gift for, this is a great piece of advice for everybody's shop. Who could your product be a gift for? And then figure out how to get that across in your keywords there. So bike lover gift. And if you could come up with a few more keywords, that'd be really good too. But overall, that one's a winner listing right there. And then same thing on this one. So it looks like you're definitely got lots of space available in your keywords up here. Like this one again, recycled bicycle 3-link keychain, a good looking product, but you've got so much space up here for more keywords. You have 140 characters. So if you look up character count, you can figure out how many characters you have available. And let's take this right here. Let's check out this character count tool. 32 characters. So you could fit that keyword in there. Like you could fit a bunch more keywords into that listing title. So let's see. Cap holder. It's just a keychain. Bike lover gift. Bike lover gift could be one. Let's see. Bike link keychain. Or what is it? Bike chain. There we go. Bracelet. Look at that. People are using a new idea for another product for you. Bike chain bracelet. But let's look up bike chain keychain right here. There we go. 3,609 results. That's a great keyword for you. Recycled bicycle 3-link keychain. See, this keyword here it's too specific. It's a good, it's got all the right words in there, but it's just too specific. And it's only got 444 results. Whereas bike chain keychain is much more specific and much more accurately describes your product. So this would be a better keyword for you. 3,609 results. More people are searching for it. And there we go. Christina's making our lives easy again. She's got bike lover keychain. Let's see, bike lover keychain. But that bike lover gift keyword could still go on that one. Bike lover gifts, because maybe they don't want to spend $125. Maybe they don't like their friend that much, but maybe they like their friend, $12.99 worth. So they could buy that. So you've got so much space here. You could put, bike chain, keychain, comma, bike lover gift, comma. And we're only at 37 characters. We still got a lot of space. Cyclist gift. No, what's some other ones? Steampunk. Maybe you could go steampunk because it's kind of steampunk. Steampunk keychain. Chain link keychain, a few like that. So I'll pop these in here, but just want to give you some ideas. I think you've got some great looking products here, Mark. And the main thing would be the keywords. Now, on a few of these, the photos could definitely use some help. Like this one looks pretty good. I can get it. I can see it pretty well. This photo is still a little. This one's abundantly easy to see what's going on. This one's kind of too much because the brick on the background is very busy. It's a bit difficult, but it looks like this one's working for you, so I wouldn't necessarily change it. Don't change what's not broken. If it's working, don't mess with it. But just future ideas. This one looks like it's popular too, and I think this one's a lot easier to see because it's just against the wall. These ones are a little busy. Now, these two right here, like this star, I can't see that star at all. And this one's really difficult. Each of these Christmas ones are really hard to see. So I like that, I see what you're going for, where you're putting it against the Christmas tree there, but it's just way too busy, and it makes it hard, very hard to see.